My name is Saidullah. I am a Rohingya refugee. Students are not allowed to go to local school, local universities. There are almost no formal classroom in the refugee camp. Even internet connection and basic electricity are rare. Yet, it was in that time I understood how powerful education can be. For refugees, education is not only lessons or degrees. It is the means, it is the way to rebuild our dignity, to understand the reasons behind our sufferings, and to dream of a future. Our lives are not defined by violence.